Hi guys, welcome to what I think is my 800th video, so I'm very proud of it, and I want to thank you, each and every one of you, to have it make this possible. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you're going to come back, and I hope you're going to stay tuned with us and come on Facebook to join us, and Instagram. So listen, this time I'm going to revisit a technique that we did a long time before, but I wanted to put a twist on it since we did with a flip cup. I'm going to use Rain-X. As you might probably know, Rain-X and Floetrol. So I'm going to mix my paint, my acrylic paint. We're going to use 3 colors. Again, colors that we're not used to do it often. I'm going to take yellow, pink, and green. How do you say? So anyway, you're going to see, and I'm going to put some Floetrol and mix, of course, with Floetrol and water. Only that. Then once we did our pouring, I'm going to pour each and every one of our colors one at a time. Then I'm going to move it a little bit, and I'm going to spray our Rain-X to have the impact that I wanted. That I want. We're going to see. It's always a surprise. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. So guys, yes, I think the result is great. I think that we have a nice finish. Of course, we can do this kind of a finish with some silicone. But I think that's a nice, there's a small difference when we do it with Rain-X. But I mean, with the Rain-X, I don't know what it is, but it's, for me, I think it's nicer. I think the layer that we did between the colors comes out more with the Rain-X once we spray the Rain-X over our paint. So anyway, it's a question of taste, but I think it's very nice. I hope you do too. I hope you want to try it, because a bottle of Rain-X is not that expensive, and I think it's a nice way to go, and it's also a nice change when you do a lot of painting to use some different products. So I think this one, it's hard to go wrong. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna come back, and like I said, please join us on Instagram and Facebook. It's always a pleasure, and we can exchange things of usual life. So I think it's nice. So guys, again, thanks for being here. I hope you're gonna come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.